20 days back, we collected some soil sample from agricultural land and gave it for soil testing laboratory. Yesterday we got the test results. Now we are going to test the same soil sample using our AgriBoard 1.0. Let us start the AgriBoard 1.0. We started moving to collect the sample 1. The train is moving down. Now the grab will close to collect the soil sample. Now the crane is moving up. Now the beaker will get the collected samples. Now the test solution will be pumped to each test tubes. Now after some time it will start shaking all the test solutions. Now the collection of samples is done. Again it will shake for some time. The shaking process will be repeated for 4 times to stir the solutions thoroughly. One more time it will shake. Now the reagents are shaken thoroughly. Now the testing gets started. The nitrogen test tube came in front of the color sensor, and the color sensor is sensing the values. That is displayed. The nitrogen test will be displayed in the LCD screen. Now the test tube for phosphorus came in front of the color sensor, and the phosphorus values will be sensed by the color sensor. Now the test tube for potassium test came in front of the color sensor, and the test values will be fetched by color sensor. Now the test tube for pH test is came in front of the color sensor, and the test values will be read by the color sensor. Now all the tests are completed and the results were getting calculated in the Firebird V, and the results will be sent to the Node MCU. The Node MCU will upload the test results to the Firebase. Now all the data are uploaded to the Firebase, and the tests are done. Now we can view the report in our mobile app. Now I am going to open my mobile app. This is our mobile app, AgriBot. Now I am going to click this icon. The front page will be look like this. The title is AgriBot 1.0. Now I am going to click Get Started. Now the test results are already automatically uploaded in the database, so I am going to click Test Result Automatic. It will fetch the data from cloud. The data is obtained as nitrogen is medium and the phosphorus is low and the potassium is high and the pH value is 7. Now I am going to generate the report. These are the recommended crops for the obtained level. These are the recommended fertilizers. We have listed few crops only for our test cases. So these crop will be adaptable for the pH level of 7. And these are the crops which will, these are the fertilizers which will be used to increase the nutrition level. This is the report generated by our AgriBot 1.0, which is, now we can see the NPK values. The nitrogen is medium, the phosphorus is low, the potassium is high and the pH is 7. Now here is the report generated from the soil testing lab. Here we can see the nitrogen value is low, phosphorus is low and the potassium is high. The nitrogen value only has some deviations. The phosphorus and potassium value is exactly matched with our test results, and the pH value is mentioned here. That is, here they mentioned 8. By our AgriBot we detected it is about 7. So there are some deviations between the actual values, and in our by the deviation that it will not impact that much, as the nutrition level 7, 8, 6 are nearly about the neutral values, so it will not affect that much. The same report will be obtained for the nutrition level also.